Hello everyone and welcome back to WP Travel tutorial series. In this video, we'll learn how to edit a single trip template using the Elementor plugin. With the help of WT Widgets for Elementor plugin, you can easily customize your trip pages, making them more visually appealing and functional. This plugin extends Elementor's capabilities, allowing you to integrate WP Travel features like trip list, booking forms, calendars, and wishlist options, all with simple drag and drop widgets. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Travel Elementor theme, which works seamlessly with WT Widgets for Elementor. Now let's get started. Step 1. Install and activate the plugin. Make sure you have installed and activated the following plugins. These help you unlock advanced customization features for your trip templates. Step 2. Create a new template. Now let's create a custom template for your trips. Go to Templates in your WordPress menu and click Add New. Step 3. Choose and name your template. Select single page as the template type. Give your template a name, something like custom trip page. Step 4. Open the Elementor editor. After creating the template, you will be directed to a blank Elementor editor where you can start designing. Step 5. Customize your trip page. Now it's time to bring your trip page to life. Simply drag and drop any widgets to design your single trip page, such as the trip list, calendar, or booking form. Step 6. Publish and apply the template. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish. A pop-up will appear asking you to add a condition. Step 7. Assign the template to trips. Select trips as a condition to apply this template to all single trip pages. Click Save and Close. And that's it, you have successfully customized a single trip template. You can now view the new design on your trip pages. And there you have it. You have successfully customized a single trip template using Elementor and WT Widgets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your fellow WP Travel users. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.